Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best water coolers available on the market right now. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium dispenser packed with features, I've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Brio Limited Edition Top-Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. This model is all about simplicity and functionality, featuring 3 temperature settings, hot, cold, and room temperature, to meet a variety of needs. Its top-loading design lets you easily monitor water levels, ensuring you never run out of hydration. With a stylish stainless steel cabinet, this cooler blends seamlessly into any home, office, or kitchen setting. The build quality is solid, thanks to its stainless steel construction, which adds durability and a modern aesthetic. The device is UL Energy Star approved, meaning it's energy efficient and safe to use. Plus, the child safety lock on the hot water spout provides extra peace of mind, especially for households with kids. However, as a top-loading water cooler, it does require lifting heavy water bottles, which might not be ideal for everyone. While it doesn't come with some of the bells and whistles of higher-end models, it delivers reliable performance at a reasonable price point. If you're looking for a straightforward, no-frills water dispenser, the Brio Limited Edition Top Loader is a solid choice. Just be prepared for a bit of manual lifting. Pros include its sleek design and ease of use, while the cons are its top-loading system and lack of advanced features. At number 4, we have the Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom-Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. This model is packed with features, including 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and cool, so you can enjoy everything from refreshing cold drinks to piping hot tea. The bottom-loading design is a game-changer, eliminating the need to lift heavy water bottles and keeping them neatly tucked away. One of its standout features is the self-cleaning function, which uses UV technology to keep the dispenser clean and bacteria-free with minimal effort. It also has a nightlight feature, making it easy to use even in dim lighting. The stainless steel design adds a touch of modern elegance while ensuring durability. The child safety lock on the hot water spout is another thoughtful addition, making it safe for families. While the Brio self-cleaning dispenser excels in convenience and cleanliness, it does come at a higher price point compared to simpler models. Additionally, some users have noted that the self-cleaning feature may require regular manual checks to ensure proper operation. Overall, this is a fantastic choice for those who want a low-maintenance, feature-packed water cooler. Pros include its self-cleaning capability and bottom-loading design, while its cons are the higher price and occasional maintenance needs. Coming in at number 3 is the Brio Bottom-Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. Like its self-cleaning counterpart, this model features a bottom-loading design, making it much easier to replace water bottles without heavy lifting. It offers 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and room temperature, making it versatile for a variety of uses. The LED display is a nice touch, providing an empty bottle alert so you're never caught off guard. The design is sleek and modern, with a stainless steel finish that complements both home and office environments. The child safety lock on the hot water spout adds an extra layer of security, and the freestanding setup makes it easy to place anywhere. However, it lacks the self-cleaning feature found in some other Brio models, meaning you'll need to clean it manually. This model strikes a great balance between functionality and affordability, offering many of the benefits of higher-end models without the premium price tag. If you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly water cooler that doesn't skimp on essential features, this Brio dispenser is worth considering. Pros include the bottom-loading design and LED display, while cons are the lack of self-cleaning functionality and slightly heavier build. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Igloo Sports Cooler Water Beverage Dispenser. This is the ultimate budget-friendly option for those who need a portable water cooler for outdoor activities, job sites, or events. With its 5-gallon capacity, UV inhibitors to prevent fading, and a push-lever spigot for touch-free dispensing, it's a highly practical choice. Plus, the pre-installed soap caddy bracket makes it a great option for portable hand-washing stations. The build is lightweight and durable, made of high-quality plastic that can withstand rugged use. Its reinforced side handles make it easy to carry even when full. While it doesn't offer the temperature control or advanced features of electric dispensers, it excels in portability and simplicity. This is a fantastic option for camping trips, sports games, or any situation where electricity isn't available. The Igloo Sports Cooler is ideal for anyone looking for a straightforward, reliable water dispenser at an unbeatable price. However, its manual operation and lack of temperature control make it less suitable for indoor or everyday use. Pros include its affordability, portability, and rugged design, while cons are its limited features and manual operation. Finally, at the top of our list, taking the #1 spot, is the Igloo top-loading water cooler. This premium option combines elegant design with practical functionality, delivering both hot and cold water at the push of a button. Its top-loading design allows you to monitor water levels easily, and it's compatible with both 3- and 5-gallon jugs. The child safety lock on the hot water spout ensures safety, while the removable drip tray makes cleaning a breeze. The black and stainless steel finish gives it a polished, modern look that fits perfectly in homes, offices, or even dorms. It's also freestanding, so you can place it virtually anywhere with access to an electrical outlet. While the top-loading design requires lifting heavy bottles, its sleek design and reliable performance more than make up for this minor inconvenience. The Igloo top-loading water cooler stands out as the best option for those willing to invest in a high-quality, aesthetically pleasing, and reliable water dispenser. Pros include its modern design, temperature control, and ease of cleaning, while cons are its higher price and top-loading setup. If you want the best of the best, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in picking the perfect water cooler for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Have any questions about these products? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.